Hello, Cardinals. We're going to talk about Investigation 7.2 today, reading weather maps. Our essential question is, how does weather travel across the United States? What can a weather map tell you? So as we work today, you're going to be working to read and analyze weather maps. You should have already read weather fronts, and you should have a background knowledge on what cold and warm fronts are. And you'll be working your group to make some general observations of the parts of the weather map that you'll have in class. So you'll be putting you're going to line up your maps in order. Hopefully they have numbers on them, and you need to figure out which direction the systems are moving across the country and what you think causes weather to move this way. And then based on what you know about weather maps, you're going to discuss the following questions. Do you think it'd be easier to see patterns in weather and make predictions if you could use weather maps instead of individual pieces of weather data? And weather maps were first developed in the mid-1800s. Why do you think it took so long for weather maps to be invented? As you're working, you're going to have a student sheet 7.2, and that will be your way to collect your data from those weather maps. And a few things about the weather maps. The dates are in the bottom. That gives you the date and the time that we took a screenshot off of the Weather Channel. And there are a number of different items that are part of the maps. So you're going to want to look at this key things like what a warm front looks like, high pressure, isobars, precipitation, how to read the maps looking at the key. So your to-do list for today is looking at weather maps and deciphering how the information communicates what's happening to you. And then you should have already read weather fronts. And you'll be collecting data and information, trying to figure out how weather moves across our country and how you can understand the weather by reading weather maps. If you have any questions, please let us know, and have a great day, Cardinals.